Hey friends, in this video we are going to be resetting this Samsung Galaxy S5 to its factory default settings with a password screen currently enabled. I purchased this specific phone from a garage sale for like 50 cents because the screen was cracked. I still think this is a sellable device, or actually using it as a hotspot here at the house. So we need to factory reset it, get it back to settings that we can manipulate without using that password on the screen. Very simple process. Let's do it right now. Now remember, before you complete this process, this is going to wipe this entire phone. So all of your data that's currently on there will actually be erased, and it'll go back to factory default settings with the original software that was installed on this phone. Again, you can do a phone software update after it's been rebooted, but for now we need to go ahead and do that factory reset. So I'm just going to hold the power button down here, and we're going to get this little device options. I'm just going to click the power off. And so now the device is going to power down here. It takes roughly 3 seconds or so. And with it powered down, now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be holding 3 buttons simultaneously. We're going to be holding the up arrow on the volume button. We're going to be holding the home button down here, and we're going to be holding the power button. This roughly takes 10 seconds or so to do. So I'm going to hold all 3 of these and depress them now. I'm just going to wait for a sec. You'll feel a little vibration. And you see that little blue text up in the top right corner there? That's what you're looking for. Once you see this screen right here, you can let go. And we're now in the recovery mode. So again, what we've just done is bypassed the password enabled screen. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to use the volume button to navigate this specific menu. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down here to wipe data and factory reset. All right, once you've reached the menu option that you want, we're going to actually click on the power button. And it's going to ask us again, hey, are you sure you want to do this? Yes or no. We're going to go ahead, go to yes, click the power button again, and it'll go into its recovery mode here. So again, at this point, it's formatting, wiping all the data from the phone. This really doesn't touch your SIM card. If you do have one in here, it's just wiping the data that's on the actual phone. Now, once that's finished, it's going to ask you if you want to reboot the system now. It does have to do a reboot in order for this to work. I'm going to go ahead and push the power button once, and we're going to go ahead and walk through a reboot. All right, as you can see, it's powering back on now. And once we get to our home screen, you'll be able to see that it's defaulted to the factory settings without a password.